Hi mga ka-UVG, tingnan natin kung anong energy update, anong kaganapan sa ating UVG Collective. Siya nga po pala, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga nag-like po, sa mga nag-share, nag-comment. Thank you so much po. Highly appreciated. Sa mga new subscriber po, hello din po. Stay connected po tayo. Thank you po so much. Sa mga returning, ganun din po. Thank you po sa suporta since day one. So, yun lang po. Sa mga hindi ba makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay? So, just take out resonate po. Tingnan natin. Seven of Swords. Stealing, lying, cheating. The Hangman. The Strength card. And the Queen of Wands in the reverse. The Five of Cups. Eight of Pentacles. Three of Swords. Eight of Cups. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, tingnan ko muna, breakdown ko na mabuti. At para naman ay makita natin ang bigger picture dito. Nine of Swords. So, having a sleepless nights. Seven of Swords to the Five of Cups. Okay. No regrets, only lesson. Okay. So, with the Hangman and the Eight of Pentacles, Virgo, merong mga delay when it comes to your career. Okay. Or promotion. Okay. Or may sabotahe akong nakikita dito. Sabotage the situation or you're sabotaging yourself here, Virgo. Strength card together with the three of Swords. Hindi ko alam kung sino nagsasabotahe ng sitwasyon dito. Maybe people around you or maybe someone connected sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung family department, pero I think this is a work department, Virgo, career department. Meaning, merong someone around you na sinasabotahe ang sitwasyon. Being a liar, being a cheater, but for you, with the Five of Cups, you don't have any regrets dealing with this person, only lesson. Okay, so may mga delay akong nakikita dito. Meron kasing being a bitch energy here. And someone is gonna walk away with this bitch here. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so just take how it's resonate po. Kung lalaki ka pong nanonood nito, baka meron ka pong mga katrabaho na talaga baga namang kitang-kita mo or talagang halatang-halata na may nagsasabotahe ng sitwasyon dito when it comes to finances, I guess, or career. I think sa career to, involving finances. Okay. All together. And together with the Strength card, upright, and the Three of Swords, ang ending nito, this person is gonna overthink a lot. Okay. And ikaw on the another hand, okay, I don't regret anything, only lesson. At least ngayon alam ko na. Okay. Ang mga taong hindi mapagkakatiwalaan at mga mapagkakatiwalaan at kung sino yung totoo sa'yo. So someone is going to walk away into the situation, dealing with this person, with the Queen of Wands in the reverse. Queen of Wands in the reverse is a bitch energy. Okay. And someone here is gonna be heartbroken very strongly. Okay, because you carry a lot of power on you, Virgo. I think you are on your power. Okay. So instead of may mga tingnan ko nga muna. Merong Nine of Swords, meron na nagkakaroon ng sleepless nights regarding sa sitwasyon na pagsasabotahe when it comes to finances in career. Okay, mga utang-utang diyan, may na-stuck dito or may delay ako nakikita. Pero I think the trust is already broken over and over. Okay? The Empress card. And the Four of Wands. Okay. You on the other hand dito, Virgo, talagang very stable ka. You have the ability to have this energy of it's okay. Okay? Meron kang, even though nakita mo na ang mga Virgo kasi may mga X-ray eyes yan sila. Alam nila kung nagsisinungaling ka, naamoy nila kung mga sinasabi mo is nasa hulog or wala. And someone here is heartbroken that you see right through them. You see in this person's sabotaging the situation when it comes to career or themselves. Ang nahihirapan at ang naiipit dito is siya lang din naman. Meron kang mentality na ganun. So that's why with the Five of Cups here is no regret. Or maybe meron tayong scenario dito na nag-cheat or nag-lie tong person na to. Or akala niya siguro maiisahan ka niya or something in that line. But at the end of the day, with the Three of Swords, siya pa rin ang naging heartbroken. Okay, so things is delaying because this person is interrupting something. Pero ikaw dito on the another hand with the Empress card and the Four of Wands, you're just nagbitaw ka ng salita dito with the Empress card. Empress card is very compassion, empathy, motherly or fatherly kind of energy. The understanding is very wide. Okay, ang lawak ng pag-iintindi with the Four of Wands, security. This person sees you as a security. This person sees you as a... But at the end of the day, this person fucked it up all. Okay. So I think this person is really heartbroken the moment you detach yourself into the situation with the Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups and the Queen of Wands. Because I think meron kang mentality na kilala na kita, I already know you, alam kong kulo mo. So, I'm not gonna change, hindi ka magbabago. Okay, lahat ng mga sinabi mo hindi mo babawiin, meron kang mentality na gano'n kasi you think that lahat ng sinabi mo dito is kind of make sense to this person. And now this person is heartbroken about the things na sinabotahe niya na siya lang din naman ang tinamaan. Kumbaga boomerang. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Magician card, someone or ikaw ang nagmamanifest dito ng security. Okay. Security and foundation sa iyong sarili. Sa sarili mo. Sandali, mukhang nilalamig ako. Like, you know what I mean, Virgo? So, with the Magician card, someone is manifesting you here back. Bakit ko sinabing back? Kasi may heartbroken tayo dito at meron tayong walking away. So, ang magiging reason lang ng heartbroken nito is that you walking away and focusing more on yourself and you don't care anymore. But Empress card, this person is aware na you being an Empress, you have the security, you have the ability to help, and you have the ability to give idea or create an idea or something in that line that this person needs also na hindi niya alam na kailangan niya. I think there is a suffering going on in the background with this person's mind and this person's feeling. Okay, the moment na nag-walk away ka sa beach energy na to, kasi ang Queen of Wands in the reverse is mapaglinlang, mapagsamantala. Talagang kala mo sayong-sayo or akala mo siya na yung kaibigang iniisip mong siya or siya na yung coworker mong reliable or something in that line. But at the end of the day, itong person na 'to, na-realize din niya na you are the one. Siya pala ang nagre-rely sa'yo, hindi yung ikaw ang nagre-rely sa kanya. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Ten of Swords. Yeah. Stabbing in the back. This person is aware kung anong ginagawa niya or kung anong gagawin niya sa'yo. Kasi nakikita ka na that you are very caring, very, very akala niya siguro madali kang maloko or madali kang kasi mabait ka or something in that line or okay ka lang ng okay. But this person don't know. Marami siyang hindi alam sa'yo. Okay, na you are the foundation here, you can create on your own. Okay, Virgo, and people is like need you. Okay, Virgo, hindi man sa masyado na kitang itinataas, pero merong sa 100% merong 70% na people need you. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Well experienced, very, very, very stable. Sabihin man natin, not financially but emotionally, you can provide for those people na in need. I-make sure mo na talagang mararamdaman nila yung pag-care mo. Pero may inabuso yung kabaitan mo. Yun ang masasabi ko. Okay, sinabotahe yung sitwasyon. Akala ng person na to hindi mabait ka, it's okay with you. And you on the another hand, you know what I mean. We have the Judgment card and the Nine of Cups. So, yeah. Judgment card and the Nine of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, meron ka ng final judgment dito. Meron ka ng calling na that this person is not reliable, a liar, a cheater. Judgment, that is your final decision kung ano man ang personality or character ng person na to. Kung ano pinakita niya sa iyong ugali, nag-trust ka ng over and over and then all of a sudden, this person is just like regretting all of the things. Okay. Tell me more. Page of Pentacles. So, pay attention, Virgo, sa mga um, King of Swords. But I think you're wise enough. Nine of Pentacles. And the Devil card. Okay, so this person, I think meron tong addiction. Okay. Five of Swords, confrontation. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw magko-confront sa person na to when it comes to finances or situation. Okay. But with the Judgment card, you already made your decision here, or you have a calling, or may epiphany dito, or ikaw, or siya. Meron na siyang final judgment sa sarili niya na I did it, so I'm wrong. So I'm gonna let Virgo go and do what you want. Meaning, guilty ang person na to sa mga pinagagawa niya. Okay. And you on the other hand, I think if the offer, meron kasing page of Pentacles, I think meron siyang mentality na baka maayos pa or something. But ikaw, sa sarili mo, may final judgment ka na kahit anong offer ng person na to or anong apology or hindi ko naman sinabing hindi ka magpapatawad, pero with the page of Pentacles, gustong mag-start ng person na to ulit. Okay. But I think with the King of Swords, you're wise enough. Okay. And with the Nine of Pentacles, I think you are more focusing on yourself and in your family member and in your loved ones rather than this coworker or who the fuck is this here na nagsinasabotay ang sitwasyon niya sa'yo. Okay. So, ikaw dito meron ka ng final judgment na alam ko na ganun ka pala. Okay, sige. Okay, hindi kawalan. Okay, so siya, masasabi rin niya sa sarili niya na ikaw is malaking kawalan kasi reliable ka. If people need you, you'll be there. But nawala ng parambula, nag-walk away ka sa person na 'to, energetically, mentally, emotionally, or physically, sabihin na natin. Okay, and this person is feeling defeated. Okay, you feel stabbed in the back also. So let's pull another 3 cards. Knight of Swords. So pay attention sa mga sinasabi nito, mga wala sa hulog. The Chariot card, moving forward ka pa din regardless. And the King of Cups. So baka tirahin ka nito emotionally. Okay, baka sakali. Pero I think your defense is up. Your guard is up with the 7 of Wands. Okay, Virgo. So I think you're aware and you know better. Kasi sitwasyon mo yan. Sa mga Virgo pong hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate po, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. What is the advice for my Virgo, please? Don't let your past hold you back, Virgo. And it's time to take action and expect some powerful change. So, it's time to release negativity. So, I think nagre-release ka nga dito ng mga negative person and toxic people. Okay. So, don't let your past hold you back. If someone comes in na alam mong hindi na trustworthy, I think your guard is up here with the 7 of Wands. It's time to take action. Okay. Kung before, nag-give ka pa ng chance to another chance to another chance, I think not this time. Okay, so expect some powerful change. Ang changes is magte-take place the moment na you stop carrying. Okay. It's time to release negativity. So, yun ang advice dito, Virgo. Sana naman po ay nakarelate. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Merong ang 8, 8, 2, 8, 2, and 10. Google mo siya, Virgo. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, angel message number 8, 2, 10. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Sana naman po ay nakaresonate. Sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. So, thank you po. See you next time, Virgo. Thank you for being here and for watching, and bye for now.